हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज नितु पंसोत्रा एंड वेलकम टू कंप्लीट कोर्स डेस्टिनेशन। सो दोस्तों, आज की क्लास में हम लोग जो है साइंस के एक न्यू टॉपिक के ऊपर डिस्कशन करेंगे, एक नया लेसन प्लान नए टॉपिक के ऊपर, दैट इज मोशन एंड इट्स टाइप। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा साइंस सब्जेक्ट का टॉपिक है मोशन एंड इट्स टाइप, जिसके ऊपर एक पूरा का पूरा लेसन प्लान आपके सामने होगा, मैक्रो लेसन प्लान। इसके दौरान आपको पता चल जाएगा किस तरह से हम लोग लेसन प्लान लिखेंगे, हमारी प्रीवियस नॉलेज टेस्टिंग में कौन से क्वेश्चंस हम लोग यूज करने वाले हैं, कैसे कैसे फ्लैश कार्ड्स हम लोग यूज करेंगे, किस तरह से फ्लैश कार्ड्स को हम लोग प्रिपेयर करेंगे। ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन। फर्स्ट ऑफ हमारा जनरल एड्स आ जाएंगे। जनरल एड्स में आ जाते हैं चॉक, डस्टर एंड ब्लैक बोर्ड। देन आ जाते हैं स्पेसिफिक एड्स। स्पेसिफिक एड्स में आ जाएंगे फ्लैश कार्ड रिलेटेड टू द टॉपिक। देन आ जाते हैं जनरल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। First point is to develop scientific attitude among students. Second, to create the interest of students in science. Third, to develop the skill of experimentation observation. Fourth, to impart knowledge as well as training in scientific method. Then आ जाते हैं हमारे specific objectives. To acquaint the students with the knowledge and understanding of motion and its type. Then instructional objectives. After the completion of the topic, student will be able to knowledge, define motion, enlist type of motion, explain the concept of translatory motion, then comprehension, discuss the concept of random motion with examples, describe the concept of vibratory motions, explain the concept of periodic motion. Then our assumed PK knowledge is, it is assumed that students have the knowledge of position of objects and movement. Then our previous knowledge testing, PK testing, इसके अंदर क्वेश्चंस जो हमारे पास बन रहे हैं, ये है एक्टिविटी बेस्ड। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रहेगा, What are different objects present in your classroom? PT will place a pen on the table and asks to students. Pupils response, table, chair, chalk, blackboard, fan, door, desk, etc. Then second question is, what is the position of the pen? PT will move pen to another place and will ask students. पहले PT ने क्वेश्चन पूछा that what is the position of the pen, and pupils का रिस्पॉन्स आया pen is at rest on the table. Then PT ने उस पेन को मूव करके स्टूडेंट से वापस पूछा what has done to change the position of pen. Then pupils का रिस्पॉन्स आया the position of pen change. Then what is motion? अब यहाँ पर pupils का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया है, तो टॉपिक की अनाउंसमेंट हो जाएगी. So well students, today we will learn about motion and its types. Then presentation के अंदर to develop scientific attitude and develop BB summary side by side. Active participation of students will be sought. Classroom discipline will be maintained. Technique of questioning will be used to facilitate the content. Then here is our subject matter, pupil teacher activity, pupils activity and blackboard work. जहां पर सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट मैटर में मोशन आ रहा है. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to other object in the surrounding. Then pupil teacher will explain the term motion and write its definition on blackboard. And pupil will listen to pupil teacher carefully. And यहाँ पर blackboard के ऊपर blackboard work जो यहाँ पे है, blackboard के ऊपर जो है blackboard work. Then आ जाएगा types of motion, translatory motion, random motion, vibratory motion, periodic motion. Pupil teacher will explain the type of motions and write it on blackboard. Pupil will listen to pupil teacher carefully. Then translatory motion, a motion in which all points of a moving body move uniformly in the same line or directions. Pupil teacher will explain the translatory motion and write its definition on blackboard with example. Pupil will listen to pupil teacher carefully and write the content in their notebook. It is a motion in which all points of a moving body move uniform in the same line or direction. The bullet gets fired from the gun undergoes rectilinear path. Here, all the points of the body which is in motion are in same direction. That is our translatory motion. Now, Pupil teacher will give an example of the translatory motion and pupil will listen to pupil teacher carefully. Then here is our random motion. Random motion is a motion in which an object didn't go in a straight manner. The object moved in a zigzag manner. This is called random motion. Pupil teacher will explain the term random motion. Pupil will listen to pupil teacher carefully. यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल दी गई है रैंडम मोशन की. फिश स्विमिंग इन वाटर, motion of bird, butterfly, etc. Pupil teacher will give an example of random motion and pupil will listen pupil teacher carefully. Then आ जाता है हमारा vibratory motion. और साथ में किस तरह से फ्लैश कार्ड्स भी डिस्प्ले किए गए हैं. सो वाइब्रेटरी मोशन के बारे में यहाँ पर लिखा गया है. अ बॉडी मूव्स to and fro about its mean position is called vibratory motion and pupil teacher will explain the term vibratory motion. Pupil will listen the pupil teacher carefully. Then उसका एग्जाम्पल दे दिया गया है पेंडुलम वाइब्रेटिंग स्विंग एक्स्ट्रा. देन आ जाता है हमारा पीरियोडिक मोशन. Motion repeats in equal interval of time is called periodic motion. Pupil teacher will explain the term periodic motion and pupil will listen to pupil teacher carefully. Then यहाँ पर example दे दी गई है. A rocking chair, a bouncing ball, a vibratory turning fork, the earth in the orbit around the sun. That is periodic motion. देखिए साथ साथ में किस तरह से फ्लैश कार्ड्स को डिस्प्ले किया गया है. Then our generalization. Pupil teacher will generalize the topic by saying, well students, today we have learnt about motion and its type. And then आ जाएगा हमारा recapitulation. Recapitulation के अंदर कुछ questions आएंगे. The bullet get fired from gun is an example of dash. Swimming of fish in water is an example of dash. Give an example of vibratory motion. Give an example of periodic motion. And then last, homework. What are the type of motion? Explain the type of motion in details. So this is our whole lesson plan with full explanation.